Okay, so now I'm gonna check to see. This is after 15 minutes of pressure cooking, if it is cooked enough or not. And it looks good. The only thing is I have to check to see if
Looks good.
yes, it does look good. Only thing is, do you think we should make it more liquidy, or is it too
It's great.
it's good,
It's
right?
great. We can eat it as a salad.
As a solid, yes.
जरूरत
Yes. And should I add, do you think I should add pasta sauce on this?
नहीं 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 नहीं
No,
दाल
right?
नहीं तो दाल चला जाए.
Yeah, exactly. And probably cheese might be good, right, to add
हाँ.
on this.
Yay.
So what we'll do is we'll add cheese as we like. I mean, as much as we want.
Hmm.
Each one can add as much cheese on top,
Oh, it's like a topping,
like
just
a
right.
topping. Yes, like
Yeah.
how we add Parmesan cheese on top.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what it looks like. And we're gonna try it out and eat it now. And this is like a full meal.